we have been married for 10 years.
10 years.
10 years. And a lot of people ask us, how do we make it work?
Pray together.
We have based our relationship on a quote that says, when love is for the sake of Allah, it never dies. And being able to pray together reminds us of that every single day. And if anything, no matter how we feel about each other, no matter what we're going through in our daily lives, we come together several times a day to remind ourselves of the blessings and the love that we have for each other.
Eat together.
I heard this beautiful story of an elderly Arab couple where one of them would only be able to eat if the other was there. It was beautiful. They said it brought them closer together. The husband would cut up pieces of meat for the wife, and the wife would know the exact amount of yogurt the husband would want on the food. They said it brought them closer together, and for Salama and I, it has done that. It's a point in time where we just come together to share a meal and forget about everything that's going on.
Don't be afraid to argue.
Disagreements and arguments happen in every relationship, but it's how we handle those arguments that defines the relationship. When we first got married, we would spend hours when we disagreed on something just ignoring each other. But then eventually, when we actually sat down and talked, we would start laughing and thinking about how stupid we both were for ignoring each other all that time. It wasn't that big of a deal. So never ignore the problems or ignore the arguments that you need to have, because when you ignore them, they grow. And if anything, keeping those arguments or those problems between you is just taking time away that you could be enjoying life together, having fun, and laughing about things. Those are 3 things that have helped us in our relationship. What we've learned over the course of 10 years is that relationships take effort, they take time, and they're based on the little things, these little things that you do every day that build up and make the biggest differences. So good luck to you all, wishing you all the love and happiness, and God bless you all.